Hey everyone, Nomad Flair here. Today we'll be checking out the EasySMX M15 mobile controller to see if it's worth picking up or not. In this review we'll explore the key features of the EasySMX, from its mappable back buttons to its compatibility with various gaming platforms, and see how it performs over extended gaming sessions. As always, links are in the description below. Let's begin. So the EasySMX M15 mobile controller arrives in a compact white and yellow box, which highlights its compatibility with popular gaming platforms. On the back you'll find a breakdown of the button layout, inside you'll also find the instructions manual. It's essential reading as it includes universal shortcuts to help you get the most out of the EasySMX SMX. The model I went for is the white with grey accents, which provides a sleek and appealing color combination. Designed with a console-style ergonomic grip, the EasySMX aims to deliver maximum comfort during long gaming sessions. Its shape fits comfortably in your hands, reducing fatigue and enhancing your overall gaming experience. The controller is lightweight, weighing around 193 grams, and the buttons feel comfortable under the fingers. It includes X, Y, BA buttons on the front, which will feel familiar to Xbox players. The M15's D-pad uses tactile switches that feel great when pressed and accommodate thumbs of all sizes. The ABXY buttons use micro switches for enhanced precision and responsiveness, which is a significant upgrade over traditional membrane switches. Another standout feature is the Hall effect sticks, which eliminates stick drift, which aims to deliver more consistent performance and improved accuracy. The sticks are also clickable, they have a good height to them, providing an excellent range of motion to reduce thumb fatigue. On the front of the controller you'll find the FN button, the view button with an LED display at the top. On the other side we have the home button, which can also function as the turbo button, followed by the menu button. Centered is the EasySMX branding on a rubberized pad, with rubber edges on the sides to protect your device during use. The controller connects via Type-C connector, which is compatible with Android devices and iPhones in the 15 and 16 series. At the top are the slanted LB and RB buttons, comfortably positioned with a slight click when pressed. The left and right triggers also feature Hall effect sensors and also offer an extra rapid trigger mode. They also provide good depth when pressed and a subtle noise when activated. At the bottom of the controller is a USB-C pass-through port, allowing you to charge your device whilst gaming. One of the standout features of the EasySMX is the two mappable back buttons, which allow for up to 21 customizable actions. These buttons protrude slightly, making them easier to locate and press without needing to double tap, which is a common issue of controllers where the buttons sit flush against the back. The bulging design makes it more accessible, enhancing your overall gameplay. Next to the buttons is a laser engraved anti-slip texture, which keeps the controller stable in sweaty hands during intense gaming sessions. The controller can extend from 102mm to 176mm, making it compatible with larger phones like the Samsung Ultras and the iPhone Pro Max models. It also offers 4 gaming modes, 3 of which are available exclusively to Android users. These modes support touchscreen games, Xbox games, and Apple games. The controller comes with 1-year warranty, ensuring peace of mind and access to customer service if needed. The EasySMX M15 also includes features like mappable back buttons and adjustable triggers, which can be customized through the MooWii gaming app, which is available on iOS and Android. While I waited for the app to download, I connected my iPhone 15 to the EasySMX. Unfortunately, I discovered that cases must be removed for the connection to occur. The reason why is that the USB-C connector is short. Without the case, the green LED light activates. Pairing through Bluetooth is simple. However, I encountered an issue with the app. It repeatedly booted me out and displayed a message stating that iOS devices should not exceed iOS 13.4. Since my device is running iOS 18, this rendered the app practically unusable, which is a significant drawback for me. If you experience similar issues, here are a few useful shortcuts to keep in mind. So, to put the controller into sleep mode, press and hold the turbo button, then press any other button to wake it back up again. For mapping the back buttons, hold the FN button and the back button simultaneously until the white LED light pops up. Then press the desired button that you want to map, followed by the same back button, until the LED light turns green, indicating that the process is complete. If you want to record gameplay for social media or share any screenshots, then hold the view button and that will start recording your gameplay. And then to take a screenshot, just single press the view button. After 2 weeks with the EasySMX M15, I can confidently say it's been a fantastic experience. The buttons are responsive, and the mappable back buttons which bulge out feel natural during FPS games. The Hall effect sticks offer a solid range of motion, reducing thumb fatigue, and the controller's ergonomic design is both comfortable and sturdy. At a price of £48, the M15 is one of the most affordable options compared to its competitors. However, the app's compatibility issues were a major disappointment, and the inability to use a phone case feels outdated in the current market. Despite these drawbacks, the controller features and comfort make an excellent choice for gamers seeking quality and affordability. So for gamers seeking an accessible, high-performing controller that doesn't break the bank, the EasySMX M15 is a strong contender in the mobile gaming market. If you're interested in picking one up, you'll find the link in the description below. For more mobile controller reviews, be sure to click the video in the end screen, and don't forget to subscribe and like, and thank you everyone for watching this video, and take care.
It's not a game, it's a